In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in CapCut without losing quality. Let's get started right inside CapCut. First, make sure you already have your project open in the editor and that your video clip is on the timeline. To begin, you need to select the clip you want to zoom in on. You can do this by tapping directly on the video in the timeline or by tapping it on the main preview canvas. When the clip is properly selected, you'll see its outline highlighted and its settings will appear below or on the side, depending on your device. Now we're going to set up the starting point of the zoom using a keyframe. A keyframe is simply a marker that tells CapCut, at this exact point in time, use these settings. Move the playhead, which is the white vertical line on your timeline, to the moment where you want the zoom to begin. With the clip still selected, look for the Video Properties panel, then go to the Basic or Edit section and find the Scale option. This controls how zoomed in or zoomed out your clip is. On the right side of the scale control, you should see a small diamond icon. Tap that diamond to add your first keyframe. This locks in the initial scale value at the starting point of your zoom. Next, we'll create the zoom itself and define where it ends. Drag the playhead to the point in your video where you want the zoom to finish. This might be a specific moment you want to emphasize, like a reaction, an object, or some on-screen text. With the playhead in position and the same clip still selected, return to the Scale slider in the Basic or Edit menu. Gently drag the slider to increase the scale until you get the exact zoom level you want. As you adjust the scale at this new position, CapCut automatically creates a second keyframe. Now CapCut knows that it should transition smoothly from the first scale value to the new one over that part of the timeline. To finalize everything, play back your video from just before the first keyframe to just after the second. You should see a smooth, gradual zoom in. If it feels too slow or too fast, simply move the second keyframe closer or farther on the timeline. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. And that's it. That's how to zoom in CapCut without losing quality.